Thomas. Hey, how are you? That's Danny and his gang and representatives of the press. Thousands are coming in. They're going through the magic tunnel on foot because no car can enter here. And like Alice in Wonderland, as you go on through that tunnel past the Disneyland Santa Fe, you find yourself in a bygone time. Another world. The clock has turned back a half a century, and you're in the main square of a small American town, the year 1900. Let's take a look around. There's the City Hall, quaint and dignified with its post office, the place where the citizens of the town gather to exchange gossip and hear the latest news of the day. Fire station. Oh, that's the special interest of the Volunteer Bucket Brigade, whose horse-drawn engine and up-to-date hose and chemical wagon are a source of real local pride. Up and down Main Street here in Disneyland about every 10 or 15 minutes, day in and day out. It goes by a whole flock of very interesting and quaint little stores. There's the Emporium, where a lady could buy Lyle stockings or a silver button hook, or for $1, the new pair of tan high-button shoes. Main Street, U.S.A., and every one of those buildings is 5/8 real size. The doorways, of course, and the windows are full size, but the buildings themselves are 5/8. The people you see up and down the street, however, are full-size people. They were not made by Walt Disney. The old-time music shop should be in there somewhere. If you were courting a gal, that's where you buy your mandolin or your banjo and start tuning it up for the Sunday canoe ride. Oh, you kid, 23 skidoo. The town square is where the band holds forth, and those free band concerts were one of the big social highlights of the week, any week. Or the Grand Opera House, where a Jenny Lind or a Chautauqua lecture might take place. And if you were daring, you might go out with your girl for a ride in an 1898 Locomobile, the hot rod of its day. Is that one coming up Main Street? Why, yes, and Bob Cummings is aboard. Take it away, Bob.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past. And here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world. Thank you.
But they didn't know the herd they stole.
Little bar in the entire wide world with the tallest glass of soda pop. of course, as you begin to see the interior, there's the stage. And the orchestra, just like in the old days.
Howdy, hi, all you pioneers, buccaneers, engineers, racketeers, souvenirs, chandeliers, those with big ears, Mickey Mouseketeers. My name is Cal Walker. Welcome to the Golden Horseshoe Saloon. We're so glad to have you here on this beautiful day. If my math is correct, it has been 67 years this week since Walt Disney opened the Golden Horseshoe Saloon in this very spot. It's the gem of Frontierland. We're going to welcome you here this day. Follow his legend. see things through, 'cause you got a friend in me, yes you do. You got a friend in me. Rich, some of the folks might be a little smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too. But none of them could ever love you the way I do. Just be with you now as the years go by. Our friendship will never die. You're gonna see that it's our destiny. You got a friend in me, yes you do. You got a friend in me. One more time. You got a friend in me. A friend in me. Well, every cowboy knows it's time to mosey on down that trail. Wishing happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. Keep sliding until then. Who cares about the clouds when we're together? Just sing a song and bring the sunny weather. Happy trails to you till we meet again. To you till we meet again. Happy trails, y'all. See you down the trail. Come back and see us anytime. Adios, amigos.
Walt, you've made a bum out of Barnum today, but we've got to go.
I know, but I just want to say a word of thanks to all the artists, the workers, and everybody that helped make this dream come true.
Let's go into Fantasyland and have some fun.
Let's go.
Goodbye, folks.